Welcome to Neon Cobra. Let's kick into it. This week, we're going to talk about some upcoming series retirements on virtual instant SKUs. So, there are some very popular ones that are on the chopping block this time, specifically the B series. So, your B2MS, your B4MS, your BS, 2S, and such, as well as your F series. So, we generally would see your workloads like your domain controllers and such end up on the B series, right? We would traditionally do 25 users on a B2MS. Very light web servers, as an example, could also exist on that. And then we'd also see on our F series, generally that'd be our virtual appliances, right? These were hardware and compute intensive, so a little bit more memory or less memory to CPU ratio. So with these retirements, like a lot of quotes and existing deployments are now evaluating what we need to do. So luckily there's a new version of all these. Now, unlike some of the other virtual machines where there's like a V2 and then a V3 and a V4, these ones have slight nomenclature changes and they're more aligned with kind of how they've been naming virtual machines as we move forward, right? If you see an A in the title, there's a good chance it's running an AMD under the hood, S for premium attached storage, and so forth. So some of the newer versions, so kind of looking into the B series, and these will be dependent on, again, on the regions you choose. But when I kind of reference Canada Central, the B series, there's the B2S V2s, there's the BAS and the BLSs as well. So there's a couple of different options. And again, these will depend on what you want under the hood, but they're all still considered burstable series, right? So that erratic workload. So very easy transitions from the B series into one of these. I'll make sure we have a list of approved ones, or at least the virtual machine list you can choose from. And then for the F series, we have these F2ASs, or rather these FAS V6s available in Canada Central. Very similar. And there are some V7s on the horizon as well. So depending on your region, you'll have to check, but you don't have to worry. It's not the end of the world. You can easily find an upgradable SKU in your region for likely the same or lesser cost. So take a look, see what makes sense. And with that, catch you next time.